What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I go by Ron P, and today we're gonna be talking about how to get better vocals. Now, I've made videos like this before in the past, but I didn't really do it in depth. I told you guys, what plugins to use and things like that, but it's some things you got to do before you start actually recording your vocals that's going to determine how good your mix is. First thing I want to talk to y'all about is gain staging. Now, I will not do an in-depth video, but if you want me to, I will. But I'm gonna just talk to y'all real quick about gain staging. Gain staging is when you take the volume from your audio interface and you turn the knob up loud as you can without your vocals sounding distorted or clipping or in the red. You don't want it in the red because once your vocals is too loud and they're in the red, even the greatest engineer is going to have a problem trying to mix those vocals. So you want to find a sweet spot. You want to have your vocals loud enough, but not to the point where they're sounding distorted or they're clipping. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want that. So now it comes to the part, once you got your audio interface and your gain staging, you got all that taken care of. Now it comes to the effect. Now here in FL Studio, you have what, 10, let me see. Let me pull this up. You have 10 inserts right here. You don't need to use all of these inserts for your vocal effects, all right? Like right now I only have what, 5? I have 5. And I'm going to go through, and I'm not going to again tell you guys how much to add because every vocal is different. Every voice is different. Every microphone is different. Everybody's room is treated different. So I can't tell you that. But these is the 5 main plugins that I like to use. Parametric EQ2, Fruity Compressor, Fruity Limiter, Soundgodizer, and a reverb. So I'm going to play this song without no effects. This is just 100% raw. Here we go.
Yeah, yo, you could never lose when you dealing with a winner. Rolling with some goons and we pulling up in sprinters. He looking like food, so we take him out to dinner. And if I say it's cool, then them dudes quick to...
So I'm gonna turn on all of these effects and let you guys hear it now.
Yeah, yo. You could never lose when you dealing with a winner. Rolling with some goons and we pulling up in sprinters. He looking like food, so we take him out to dinner. And if I say it's cool, then them dudes quick to pull up on his ass. Play me like a rapper, you get more than an autograph.
Once you got all of your effects on your channel and your vocals is sounding a lot better, the very, very, very most important thing to do is make sure you level, because it don't matter how clean your vocals sound, how strong your vocals sound. If you don't level properly, what happens is your vocals get lost in the beat. It get lost in the mix. Like it needs to stand out. You don't want the beat overshadowing your vocals, and you don't want your vocals just screaming over the beat. You wanna blend it in there real good. So that's where leveling come in. I can show you what happens if you don't level right.
Yeah, yo, you could never lose when you dealing with a winner. Rolling with some goons and we pulling up in sprinters.
See, it just sounds like I'm just rapping on top of the beat.
Goons and we pulling up in sprinters. He looking like food, so we take him out to dinner. And if I say it's cool, then them dudes quick to...
Self-explanatory right there, right? Like, now it's lost, so you have to level.
Goons and we pulling up in sprinters. He looking like food, so we take him out to dinner. And if I say it's cool, then them dudes quick to pull up on his ass. Play me like a rapper, you get more than an autograph.
So this was just the mix, okay? Not the master. We'll make a video about that another time. When you're mastering your vocals and everything, you always want to make sure that your vocals are able to cut through those heavy bass tracks. You don't, like I said, you don't want your vocals to get lost in the mix. So you have to make sure that, and that has a lot to do with EQing, making sure that your vocals are sharp, but not too sharp to the ear. That's going to require you doing things like frequency sweeps and stuff like that, but just always remember you can achieve the sound that you're looking for without using 20 different plugins. You know, I use 5 on this song right here. I'm gonna level it and then I'm gonna master it. So again, it's just all by ear what you're looking for. So yeah, man, I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, a share, or something. You know, comment down below if you have any questions, anything that I can help. Just, hey, let me know. That's what I'm here for at Ron P Media. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And we out. Peace.
And we pulling up in sprinters. He looking like food, so we take him out to dinner. And if I say it's cool, then them dudes quick to, yeah.